side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Clean the area kung saan kayo magpe-paint.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Then tape the molding and the edges of the area.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Ayan guys, nataypan na natin ng buong area kung saan tayo magpe-paint. Then mag-start na tayo guys. So magpa-primer na ako. Ang gagamitin kong primer, yung binili lang namin sa Home Depot. Hindi na kami bumili dun sa Bauer kasi ang tagal ng shipment eh. So, nag-research na lang kami, pwede itong gamitin basta pang primer. Importante guys, na mag-a-apply kayo ng primer para ma-absorb niya to bago nyo ilagay yung inyong lime wash paint. Haluin ng mabuti ang inyong primer bago ito gamitin.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Using a paintbrush, pintahan nyo yung mga edges. Gagamit ako nitong stick which is nabibili sa Home Depot para ikabit ko rito. Ang tawag dito ay extender na roller. Yeah. Use a roller to paint the area.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Kasi guys, may previous paint na yung bahay. So, ang sabi, doon sa tutorial ng lime wash, miski may previous paint na ang pipintahan nyo, kailangan nyong mag-apply ng primer.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
And guys, natapos ko na ang pagpa-primer dito sa buong wall, itong dalawa. Patutuyuin ko to ng overnight para tuyon-tuyo po pag ako ay nag-umpisang magpinta ng lime wash. Hanggang bukas po, tatapusin natin to. Minimum coating sa lime wash is 2 coating. Yun ang minimum. So, pwede nyo gawin 3 kung hindi nyo pa rin gusto yung kulay. Pero hanggang 2 coating dapat. So, sana wag umulan para hindi mahirap matuyo. Ang minimum kasi niya kung mainit, ang panahon is 2 hours. At least 2 hours. Pag malamig ang panahon, medyo madadagdagan ang oras. Sana wag umulan. Sana mainit bukas. Para madali kong matapos. Ito ang mga gagamitin natin. Ang tawag dito ay black brush. At ito ang lime wash paint. Ang napili kong color ay caramel. Kakailanganin din natin ang container. By the way guys, may ibang klase ang lime wash paint. Meron pong ready to use na, kagaya ng nabili ko, kagaya nito guys, na hahaluin nyo na lang at ready to use na. At meron din naman is clay-like material na kailangan nyong i-dilute sa water para maging paint-like consistency. Kailangan nating haluing mabuti bago natin ito gamitin. Then, itatransfer natin ito sa isang container. Haluin pang mabuti. Maglagay kayo ng sapin sa floor para hindi madumihan ng inyong flooring. You don't have to dip your brush all the way. Yung tip lang ng brush. Ang maganda sa pagpapaint ng lime wash, kahit saan pwede ka mag-start. Just do the paint up and down, diagonal, until you create the cloud.
Echoing around
paint the edges, and then pulling away like this. Kagaya po niyan, just pulling away. By the way guys, kailangan nyong haluin ng inyong lime wash paint every 10 minutes.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Ayan guys, magsa-second coating na ako. Bali 3 hours ang ginawa ko sa drying time. Actually, pwede nga 2 hours lang, pero okay lang para talagang tuyong-tuyo siya. Pangalawang litro na to, litro. So, dalawa kasi yung binili namin. Pero yung sa isa kanina, may natira pa. Sa second coating, mag-i-start tayo mag-paint sa kabilang side naman.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Kung merong mga talsik ng paint, punasan nyo lang agad ito ng basang-basahan at matatanggal na ito.
Left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Tapos na rin tayo sa second coating ng ating lime wash. At patutuyuin na lang natin ito. Guys, darker pa siya kasi basa pa. Pag ito ay natuyo na, magiging lighter pa po ang kulay ng inyong lime wash. Remove na natin ang mga tape. This is the final look and this is how I lime wash my wall. The final look with wall decoration. I love the color. Well, anyway guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog. Until next time, bye!
Echoing around the